first let me teach you how to write some scenarios on one application, the banking project. Then I'll give a KT on RNHRM product. After listening the KT, you should able to write scenarios for RNHRM application. That is the task. First, I write scenarios for one application. I'll explain the RNHRM product. Later, you should able to write the scenarios for the RNHRM project. Okay? Right. Here our assumption. This Primus Bank project, we are following the traditional model like waterfall model for testing. The Primus Bank project planned to implement in waterfall model, where the requirements are very neatly, clearly documented. In Agile model, you don't find this kind of requirement documents. Only via the KTs, requirements are explained to the team in Agile model. Whereas for Primus Bank application, we have a very clear requirement specification. What is this document? Functional requirement document for admin module in the Primus Bank application. This is the first requirement in the project. The Primus Bank homepage. Here you have some details about what is Primus Bank homepage. Just you go through it. First you go through the overview section of the Primus Bank homepage, then I'll explain. The Primus Bank homepage allows different users such as admin, bank employees and various customers, individual customers, corporate customers, international customers to access the application for further usage. It also provides information about various services offered by the bank. Okay. The first requirement in the Primus Bank application, homepage of the product. This homepage allows various users, administrator, bank employees, customers to access the application for further usage. As per the description available here, there are three types of customers access this product. Individual customers, corporate customers, international customers. Also, the homepage provides information about various services offered by the bank. Based on the description available in the FRS about the homepage, if you ask you to document what to test in the Primus Bank homepage, how to write the scenarios for the first requirement Primus Bank homepage, that is a task. You answer me as per the description available here, what to test in the Primus Bank homepage. Is anyone online team member? What we have to verify in the Primus Bank homepage requirement, that is the question.
First, we have to check for login for admin, bank employee, and customer. Very first step.
First, we need
and
to
also corporate admin.
Admin able to log in or not. Bank employees are able to log in or not. Customers meaning individual customers, corporate customers, international customers able to log in or not. Yesterday I shared the document to you. A simple pro forma where we document test scenarios for any project. Here we have to update first name of the project. What is that? Plymouth Bank. For every scenario, we have to assign a number ID. Scenario number TS001, scenario 1. Here we have to describe precisely what to test in the Plymouth Bank product homepage. Tell me what you want me to write here. Check login. If I simply say login, there are 3 types of users can access this product. Which login to be tested is not clear.
Admin log.
Check admin login. Check admin able to log in or not. Shortly, check admin login. See, in English, coming to framing a sentence, my way of writing or framing a sentence will be different. Your way of framing a sentence will be different. Nobody will question. The way we have documented should be legible, clear, and understandable to others. That is the expectation. Whatever the way you have documented, my way of writing a statement will be different. Your way of writing an English statement will be different. Anything will go. The expectation, when anybody refer our document, they should be able to understand clearly what to be tested. That's it. Check admin login. Check admin able to log in or not. Anything will go. While documenting the scenario, how important it is for testing to be specified. It's very high priority or high priority, medium priority or low priority to be mentioned. Tell me. As it
Very
is
high
logging,
Very high priority.
definitely
Very high
priority for
High
testing.
priority.
Almost high and very high would be the same. First focus goes to very high, highest priority, then high priority, then medium priority, finally least low priority. One project will have multiple modules. This scenario belongs to which module to be mentioned? Admin module.
Admin module.
In this project, we have 3 modules majorly. Admin module, banker module, and customer module. Why to have these 2 columns? Supposing we have documented 40 scenarios. Out of 40, what needs to be tested first to be identified? I'll filter very high. It will show only very high priority scenarios. At first, I focus on very high priority. Then I filter, focus on high priority. Then I filter medium priority. Then finally, I go for low priority. Out of 40 scenarios, at any point of time, we should be able to filter what are all very high out of 40, what are all high priority, what are all medium priority, what are all low priority. So, while documenting the scenario, mention how important it is for testing, that is called priority. And say these 40 scenarios belongs to 3 modules. Now, as per our management decision, first we are focusing on admin module. I should be able to filter out of 40 what are the scenarios belongs to admin module. While documenting the scenario, when you map the scenario to a module name, then only you get an option to filter them. The scenario 2. Tell me. Check. Banker or bank employee, login. Definitely login is very high priority. This belongs to banker module. Scenario 3. Tell me the scenario 3.
Customer login.
No. If you simply
Forgotten
write
password.
customer login, Maybe the other people who are referring our document may understand there is only one type of customer. But here, individual customers can log in, corporate customers can log in, even NRI customers also can log in. So that should be clearly mentioned. Rather than writing customer login, better check individual customer login, nothing but personal banking. As it is login very high priority, belongs to customer module. Corporate customer login, also very high priority. Customer module. Check international customer login. It's also very high priority, belongs to customer module. Here I have listed, documented, majorly what are the functionalities to be tested in the home page of the product. In the home page, we have some content, and apart from that, we have a login section. Admin can able to log in, employees will log in, customers will log in. So precisely I have documented what to be tested, what to be verified in the home page of the product. Majorly, these are the 5 functionalities to be tested in the home page of the product. Also, it provides information about various services offered by the bank. Here we have some links: personal banking, corporate banking, international banking, about us, contact us, customer service. There are some links available here. A person come to the website, would like to know about the company, about the services, about the nearest branches. They click the links, read the content, and understand what are the various services offered by this bank to their customers. Where are the branches available? Branches information. Finally, there are some links in the home page of the product. We have to check all these links are redirecting and showing appropriate content or not. I'll write in this way. Check home page links. What do you mean by checking home page links here? All the links working or not? Working meaning redirecting to appropriate pages and showing appropriate content or not. As they are home page links, I am taking high priority, not very high, but high priority. See, home page is the gateway for 3 modules. Admin can log in, bank employees can log in, customers can log in. This home page is the gateway for 3 modules. So, home page links, I can cover any one of the module, either admin or customer or banker. As I am first writing for admin module, I am covering under admin. Finally, these are the major features to be covered, tested in the home page of the product. So here I prepared some scenarios for home page of the Premise Bank application. Hope you understood it right. Simply we are documenting what to be tested in the home page, like what to test in second requirement, what to test in requirement 3, what to test in requirement 4, what to test in requirement N. One by one we have to document like this. First we need to understand the requirement, then first document precisely what to be tested. After writing the scenarios, we submit to our team lead, who will have a review whether everything is covered or not. Note on this. Test scenarios for Premise Bank homepage. Test scenarios for Premise Bank homepage. Test scenarios for Premise Bank homepage. document these scenarios. Scenario meaning what to be tested. We have documented what to test in the home page of the product. As per the requirement document, as per the description available in the requirement document about Primus Bank homepage, these are the major features to be covered, tested in the Primus Bank homepage that we have listed. If you are simply documenting what are the features to be tested in the given requirement of the application, they are nothing but scenarios. First, we have to check admin login feature in the home page. Then we have to check bank employee login. We have to check individual customer login, corporate customer login, international customer login. Also, there are many links in the home page. All the links working or not need to be covered. Precisely, if you have documented what to test in the product, they are nothing but scenarios. Finish? Now, a functional requirement document will explain all the functionalities one after another. The second requirement in the product, admin homepage. Once administrator logging, system will display admin module. This page allows administrator to define and manage master data such as branches, roles, users, employees related to the bank. So it is admin homepage, or we can call admin dashboard. Once admin login, system will display the admin dashboard. There are many links here. We have changed password. First, from the admin dashboard, admin able to navigate to appropriate pages or not need to be covered, right? Admin able to go to branches page or not. Admin able to move to roles pages or not. Admin able to go to users page or not. Similarly, employee page or not. Admin able to change the password or not. If I write scenarios for the admin dashboard, I'll write in this way. Check admin module or admin dashboard links. There are many links in the admin dashboard. All the links are working and showing redirecting to appropriate pages or not need to be covered. This belongs to admin module. And we have observed there is a change password kind of functionality. I'll write admin able to change the password or not. Admin able to change the password or not. Majorly here, admin able to navigate to appropriate pages or not, admin able to update the password or not. Requirement 3, branches. This feature allows admin to create a branch, new branches, modify or delete Primus Bank branches. Branches feature allow admin to define a new branch, modify or delete Primus Bank branches. And also, admin can search for the branches information based on the given selection condition. You go through this page and answer me, what are the scenarios we can write for branches requirement? One second. Yes, sir. Tell me, I will write.
Check admin able to create new branch or not.
Admin able to create.
Yeah, create new branch or not.
New branch or not.
Done. It's high priority, belongs to admin module. Then, say a new branch created. Maybe tomorrow admin should able to update maybe address change, contact number change, email ID change. The branch move from one building to other building. Address to be updated. Contact numbers are updated. So admin able to change
Edit.
existing branch details, update the existing branches or not. Check admin able to update or modify. Any word thing will go edit, update, modify. Admin able to edit, modify, update, any word you can use, nothing wrong. Admin able to update branch details or not. I'll take medium priority. It is not a very frequently operated functionality, rarely operated functionality. I'm taking medium priority. This also belongs to admin module. Then
delete the branch.
Yeah, and check admin can able to delete existing branch or not.
Area deleted.
check admin able to delete unwanted branch or not. The complete branch admin able to delete or not. Area we are not deleting, area we are updating. Entire branch admin able to delete or not. This is also rarely operated functionality. I'm taking as medium priority or low priority. The very rarely performed operation, it is correct. I taken as low priority. What else? We have to check admin able to create a new branch or not. Admin able to update the branch or not. Admin able to delete the branch or not. Also, admin able to search the required branches information or not. Country-wise, state-wise, city-wise, there are branches available. User or the admin able to search, retrieve the required branches information or not. Check admin able to search or retrieve enough. Admin able to search or retrieve the required branches information or not. Will take low priority. Sir, if you made any mistake in giving the priority, anything will go serious? Maybe one scenario is medium priority or say low priority. You took as high priority. Anything will go serious.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
A scenario is high priority. You taken as low priority. You updated by mistake as low priority. Maybe you not understood it correctly. You considered, okay, it is low priority, you updated low priority. My question, will anything go serious?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
if it is a high priority, today we are testing. When it is a low priority, tomorrow I am going to test. Finally, I am going to cover everything, right? We are going to test everything or not? Only priority to decide what to do first, what to do next. Actually, it is high priority, but I considered low priority. Not today, tomorrow I am going to definitely test it. And also, after documenting the scenarios, you submit to your team lead. Team lead, you are going to submit your scenarios to the team lead who will have a review. Here I feel it is not low priority, it is high priority, I am going to update it. Just you are updating, this is such important or not much important, something like that. Though you made a small mistakes in the priorities, nothing will go serious. Yes, what's your question?
Is it right in case of login functionality?
Whatever it may be. Anyhow, after writing scenarios, you are going to submit it for reviews or not. What is the review work? The team lead job. Morning, I am assigning a work to my team members. End of the day, I collect the work from my team members. I'll have a cross check. Every day, I'll have a cross check. You taken as low priority, but it is high priority, I am going to update it. But generally, mostly, login and all will get the clarity. What you said, login. Any application login will high priority, right? Definitely will go for login high priority. If you are putting login as low priority, it clearly indicates your capability of the work. Maybe some complexities, some things may not understood properly, you took as other priority. Nothing so serious. Anyhow, your senior person going to review the scenarios, cross-check the scenarios, and going to update, no, this is not medium priority, it is high priority. It is not high priority, it is low priority, something like that. Finally, there is a review process. For that reason, there is a senior person. If really every team member able to do the work 100% perfectly, why you need a manager? You understand my point? If all the team members able to do the work 100% perfectly, why you need a lead or a manager? Any business process, lead level, manager level people job is assigning the work, monitoring the work, reviewing the work, correcting the work. Here also we have a review process. We understood this? Better you note down the remaining also. Write scenarios for admin dashboard. Scenarios for admin dashboard. These are the two scenarios for admin dashboard. First, we need to verify all links present in the admin dashboard are working or not. Then we have to check admin able to change the password or not. Continuation. Test scenarios for branches requirement in Primus Bank application. Test scenarios for branches requirement in Primus Bank application. Note on these 4 scenarios. The scenarios for branches requirement in Primus Bank application. The scenarios for branches requirement in Primus Bank application. First, we have to verify admin able to create a new branch or not. Admin able to update the branch details or not. Admin able to delete unwanted branches or not. Admin able to search and retrieve the required branches information or not. These are the expectations related to branches in the admin module, right? That we have to document. See, we do not know whether they are implemented and working properly or not. But this is the expectation. These are the expected functionalities in the branches. Admin should be able to create a new branch. Admin should be able to update the branch details. Admin should be able to delete unwanted Primus Bank branches. Admin should be able to search and retrieve the required information about the branches. Whether these functionalities are available, working as expected or not, need to be tested by the QA testers. If a functionality such information not available, definitely I'll consider it as a bug. Hope you little understood how to document the scenarios. What to be tested, we have to document. If the requirement document available, based on the requirement document, we able to write what are the features to be tested in the product. So I have explained only few scenarios in the Primus Bank application. Right. What is exploratory testing? We have an application or a product for which we don't have any requirement specifications. We need to explore the product, browse the product, understand the functionalities of the product, then we should be able to test the product. In one scenario, your manager will ask, write scenarios, write test cases, then we test. For understanding the product, we don't have a document. Directly explore the product and understand the product. So in order to understand such process, see, if requirement documents are given to you, I have shown you the requirement document where the content is clearly available. Very easily you can write up scenarios. But nowadays, mostly we are not following this approach because it is a time-killing approach, budget-killing approach. Small application where there are 10 requirements are available, matter of 2-3 days we can document it. When you are working on a big size of project where there are hundreds of requirements are available, the two requirements are very frequently or dynamically changing. Preparing this kind of documentation really time-killing and budget-killing. If I am a manager, I don't suggest this process. In Agile model, we are not following this process. Rather than planning to implement 40, 50 requirements at one schedule, I'll plan to implement maximum 2-3 requirements at one schedule, 1 week of schedule, 4 days of schedule. I'll give a KT to my team members. This is what we have to develop. This is what we have to test. I'll organize a meeting. Then I assign the work. If they have any questions, maximum of 4 or 1 week of schedule is planned. Anyhow, after completion of the work, I am going to a review. I'll give my comment. Accordingly, they are going to update. If I'm happy with the output, I'll show to my client and get it approved. Enough. Rather than spending the time on unnecessary documentation, spend the time on actual product implementation. It is an economical process, budget saving, time saving process. That is Agile methodology. Okay, in order to experience exploratory testing, we have to explore the product and document what to test. Let me assign a small task to you. All you have smartphones, right? You have Swiggy app? Swiggy or Foodpan, what is that? Zomato. What about these people? You have Uber Eats, I think. Uber Eats. The people from Canada and US. You don't have Swiggy in Canada or US. Yes. What is the food delivery application you use? Online team?
DoorDash, Uber,
Where are you from?
Keep the Dishes.
Zomato mostly.
Canada.
Swiggy and Zomato.
Zomato, sir.
Tomato Swiggy available in India, but not in and other countries, right? Anyhow, Zomato available. The Swiggy is not available. Okay, anyhow. Whatever the food delivery application you are using, that's your choice. Almost requirements are same. Correct? Document test scenarios for customer module in a food delivery application like Swiggy. Take the assignment. Prepare test scenarios for customer module in a food delivery application like Swiggy or Uber Eats. So listen, to your knowledge, what are the modules available in the food delivery applications like Swiggy or Uber Eats?
Customer login.
I'm talking
Admin.
about, one second. Login, we should not call it as a module. Login is one requirement, one functionality. One module will have set of requirement. Module meaning the major portions of the product can be called as a module. Like if you consider a SAP application, finance one module, accounts department activities comes under other module, purchase one module, sales one module, marketing one module, major portions of the product. Like in a Premise Bank application, all admin related operations comes under admin module. All day-to-day bank employees' jobs comes under banker module. Customer related transactions comes under customer module. Like, as you know about the application domain, Swiggy, food delivery application, what are the major modules of any food delivery application present in the market? Customer module.
Admin.
App what you are using is customer module. The application what you are using is, what you are downloading and using is customer module. On the top there will be one admin module also. There will be one restaurant module. There is one delivery boy module. Correct? The delivery boy app is different. The app what you are using is different. The app used by the restaurant manager is different. The app used by the Swiggy administration is different. There are 4 modules, major modules in the Swiggy application. Admin module, restaurant module, customer module, delivery by module. A new restaurant person want to register, they update their details in the application Swiggy. The request will go to the admin. Admin will approve or deny, reject, correct? Also in the admin module, the commission settings will be there. First amount going to Swiggy. Then Swiggy is paying to restaurants after deducting their commission of 24% or 25% or 20%, whatever it may be. And if a restaurant people paying more commission, they display in the top. If a restaurant person paying less commission, they display in the bottom. Finally, they are also doing a business, correct? If you see, if top meaning not very good, the people who are paying more commission will appear in the top. Okay, anyhow. Finally, there are some off features available in the admin module, correct? Accepting a restaurant, rejecting a restaurant, a delivery boy registering. I want to become a delivery partner. So check their background, verification, something process available in the admin module. Finally, there will be one admin module, restaurant module, delivery boy module, and customer module. We know about only customer module, correct? So for that reason, I clearly mentioned write scenarios for customer module, because the app what you have in your mobile is customer module app, not delivery boy related operation, not restaurant management operation, not admin operation. We are using customer module. So for next 5-10 minutes, you explore the product, and finally you should able to write totally what needs to be tested in the customer module of the product. That is the task. Will you do this? Do this. If I teach you write and go home, no use. Here you are learning, correct? You should able to write scenarios. You should able to write test cases. Just I given one example how to write scenarios for Primus Bank application. So open the Swiggy or Uber Eats, whatever available in your mobile. Just you go through the product, explore the product, then document what are the functionalities to be tested in the customer module. You will get a mini list, minimum 10 you will get, 10 to 15 you get. You write. After you write, I will discuss. Online team, task is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whatever the food delivery application you are using, that is your choice. Document test scenarios for customer module in a food delivery application. You get many scenarios. Try to write all. As it is a learning, you need to try this kind of things.
Yes, sir.
Right. How much time you require? 10 minutes? You have to first explore the product. You open the application, go through the product, understand, then start documenting them. Okay? Proceed. Praveen, stop recording for 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. Once I start, you can invoke it. You answer me, what is the first scenario you have documented?
Customer login.
Customer
Login,
login or
able
sign
to
up.
log in or sign up.
Register, new customer register.
Create an account.
The customer able to download the app from
Customer
Play Store
login, sir.
or not.
Downloading the app.
And added mobile number.
Customer can download the app or not.
Okay. So once the application downloaded,
Creating account or not.
listen,
Customer login.
installation, uninstallation testing. We are able to install the application successfully or not. We are able to uninstall the application successfully or not. It actually comes under one of the non-functional testing, installation testing, uninstallation testing. But here we are covering what are the features to be tested in the product. No need to consider installation, uninstallation, leave it. Once we downloaded the product as a customer, what we have to verify in the customer module we are documenting. The very first one, what do you say?
Customer is able to change
Customer
customer
login.
details like phone number, address or not.
Yeah, I don't have an account. At first, I need.
Sign up.
Check the customer login without registering
Login.
like a guest.
With registration name.
Not login. See, previous application, Primus Bank application.
After
listen.
login,
Previous application is a banking domain. Customer cannot create their accounts in banking application, correct? Though I open an account in ICICI Bank, they will create my account, send the login details to me. We don't have an option to create our account in banking product, correct? In a public domain application like IRCTC, Facebook, Gmail, Swiggy, customer can create their accounts. Not in banking product. Similarly, if it is a human resource management system, you are an employee in a company, your account will be created by the admin, not by you. So applications are public domain application. Public domain application meaning anybody can access them, like Facebook, like Gmail. In that application, anybody can create their account. In Swiggy also. Here the very first scenario, check customer able to create an account or customer able to register. Customer able to create their account or not need to be tested first. You can also write like check new customer registration. Definitely it is very high priority. Customer model. The scenario 2, after creating the account, they will try to log in. Check customer login. This is also very high priority.
Customer.
The customer module. A customer who created account long back, come back. A customer created account long back. Today again, he is accessing the product. See, not only the mobile app, we have web application also. I forgot my password, I should be able to reset, recover my password.
Password.
Scenario 4. Tell me.
Change password.
Customer locations.
Customer location, what you are trying to say?
Check the, he can
That
change.
customer able to search their location.
Delivery location.
Select the food priority.
Browse
navigation.
categories.
Nearest restaurant.
Check customer able to browse. sorry, not browser. Customer able to browse, customer able to view the nearest restaurants or not.
Sorry. Location.
Location.
Delivery location.
While creating the account, you are giving your location. Same time, whenever you are trying to browse the restaurant, automatically system should scan your current location, show the nearest restaurants. Check customer able to browse the nearest restaurants. I clearly mentioned it is. Nearest restaurants or not. Let's say it is showing a list of restaurants, 10, 20 restaurants. Generally, what you will do, you select a specific restaurant. Check customer able to select the specific, meaning required. Restaurant or not. Customer able to select the, one second, sorry. Customer able to select the specific restaurant or not. Definitely in customer module, almost all are high priority. Check customer module. After selecting a restaurant, one restaurant people will offer different food items. We have to check customer able to select the
Food menu.
Food items.
Browse
required
all
food items or not. Check customer able to select the required food items or not. Not only one, we should be able to select even multiple also. Select, also deselect. That's what I said. Check customer able to select the required food items or not. Check customer able to add food items to
Cart.
cart or not. What is cart spelling?
CART.
You can use KART also in e-commerce terminology.
CRT. Okay.
Check most of the e-commerce product begins with K. Flipkart, RiceCart. Okay. Check customer able to add food items to cart or not. Hmm?
Payment.
Check
Pay the
able
money.
to
Check customer
between
able to
methods.
food coupons applicable or not.
Able to give
Able
the
to food
delivery.
coupons.
put, sorry, what you are saying?
Coupons, offer coupons.
Check payment for booking or not.
Okay, I'm covering major thing. Check customer able to make payment or not. After making a payment, this customer able to track
The food location.
Get
Food,
the order confirmation.
food status for delivery.
check customer able to track food delivery status or not. Your food is getting prepared, your food is arriving in next 10 minutes, something like that. Check customer able to track food delivery status or not. So I covered major.
Check
There are many
are
small,
able to
small
contact the delivery boy or not.
coupons, and as she said, we should be able to make a call to the delivery boy, something like this. But I covered only major things.
Cancel the photo.
Adding instructions to the food.
Right.
Check customer able to give feedback or not.
Cancellation.
Customer able to receive the delivery or not.
Customer location are available or not.
Customer able to receive the delivery or not.
Right. You understand the process, right? Then, whatever you feel it is required to test, we have to document. Today, I was not documented everything. I documented only the major scenarios, coupons, discounts. We should be able to give the instructions. We should be able to make a call. There are many other things. We should be able to cancel the order. Customer also should be able to cancel the order. There are many other things to be covered. I listed, for your understanding, how to document the scenario. I listed some major scenarios, not everything in the customer module. Only here, just I am trying to teach you about how to start like this. Hope you clear about this now? Right. So test scenario meaning what to be tested. After writing the scenarios, we are going to update to your team manager, team lead. So these are the scenarios we are going to submit to your team lead. Who will have a child? Something is missed. Supposing you submitted these scenarios to me. I asked you in a real-time work, not learning, document scenarios for the entire customer module. I verified your scenarios. You missed some scenarios like check customer able to cancel the order. That is not covered. Customer should be able to give the instruction. That is not covered. Customer should be able to make a call to the delivery boy. That is not covered. So senior person will have a review. Will give you the review comments. This is, you can correct this. This is not covered. Something like this. Once the scenarios are reviewed, finalized by your team lead, the next work initiator called test cases. Only just I given a small task to you because first I have documented scenarios for Primus Bank application. I given a task to you so that you'll get the clarity how to start writing the scenarios. This point is clear, right? Right. Now, I'll give you a small KT about RNHRM application. When you are working on Agile model projects, requirement documents are not given, a small KT will be given. Assumption, we are working on Agile model for RNHRM project. Project is under construction to be developed, project to be developed. So what is the Agile model process? Very briefly, I have explained in the beginning days.
Going through.
Let's say totally 40 requirements to be implemented in the product. A Scrum Master planned to implement only 2-3 major business requirements at one phase. A meeting organized, developers and QA people involved in the meeting. The product owner called business analyst, as per the project manager instruction, the BA will explain the requirements to the team members. Like, now assumption I am a business analyst, product owner. I am explaining the requirements about RNHRM application product to the team. Here you are the team member, that is assumption. Developers, testers in a meeting, BA explaining the product requirements to the team members. Now let me explain some requirements planned to implement in the first schedule about the RNHRM product. Okay? Right. See, our product is a human resource management system. Majorly, it has 2 modules, admin module, employee module. In our product RNHRM, there are 2 major modules, admin module and employee module. Here, admin can log in admin will register their account in the application level. At application level, there will be a link to create their accounts, admin accounts. Only admin account will be registered at database level, not at UI level. Application level, you don't find user registrations because it is not a public domain application like Gmail. In fact, in Gmail also, you don't have admin account, you have only customer accounts. Customers can create their account. Admin account will be created directly in the database itself. Okay. Our RIHRM application has two modules, admin module and employee module. Admin can log in. System should display admin module. This admin module utilized by the administrator to perform the day-to-day admin tasks. What are the various admin tasks? A new employee joined in a company. A new employee joined in the company. Who will update the new employee details? Who will register the new employee in the system? Admin. Admin will create the employee details, first name, middle name, last name, qualification, experience, date of birth, date of joining, XYZ. This is one functional requirement in the admin module. Admin should be able to create a new employee. A new employee details are created. Then as an admin, I should be able to create a login account for the registered employee, correct? Not only employee details meaning first name, middle name, last name, etc., etc., etc. Then admin should be able to create a login account for the registered employee. Login creation for the registered employees. As it is a private domain application, not a public domain application, within an organization, for their day-to-day HR management, human resource management activities, this product is designed. Employees cannot create their accounts. Admin will create the login account for the employee. Here, admin should be able to create a login account for the registered employees. And here, supposing I am a super admin. She is one employee, he is another employee. Next 4 days, I am not available for some reason. In absence of me, somebody else should be able to take care of administration job, correct? Now, I'll make one employee as a subadmin, another admin. This person is a regular employee, but this person as a subadmin. Super admin should be able to configure a user account as a subadmin. So when she log in, these 4 days when I am not present, she should be able to take care of the administration job. Once I come back, I again change the role of the employee to regular employee. Once I change, thereafter she is a regular employee only. She should not have access to the subadmin features. Temporarily, I can make an employee as subadmin. Later, I can again make the employee a role as regular employee. See, we have to test the application like the end user operations. Inside a company, some employees will be newly joining. Admin should be able to update the employee details in the system, new employee registration. Admin should be able to create login account for the registered employees. Admin should be able to make one employee a subadmin. Further, he should be able to make the employee as a regular employee. This person is a regular employee. He resigned. Admin should be able to enable the login account. Admin should be able to disable the login account. At any point of time, admin should be able to reset the password for any employee account. And these employees will log in. When a subadmin log in, subadmin module to be displayed. When employee log in, only employee related features to be displayed. These super admin, subadmin, employees should be able to recover their forgotten password, should be able to change their password. Super admin, subadmin, employees should be able to recover the forgotten password. Also, they log in, but they want to change the password. They should be able to change the password. These are the few requirements we implement in the first phase of project development. In the first sprint, these major requirements are considered for development and testing. I repeat, admin should be able to log in. Admin should be able to create new employees. Admin should be able to create login account for registered employees. Admin can make an employee as sub-admin, also can make an employee as a regular employee. This admin, this sub-admin, the employees should able to log in. They should able to recover their forgotten password. They should able to change their password. These are the few functionalities we implement in the first phase of development and testing, in the first sprint. You understand what I said? For these requirements, you have to write scenarios. Tomorrow we'll do this work. Okay, tomorrow if required, again I'll explain. Okay, then we start writing the scenarios for the Orange HRM project. Clear about this, right? I stop here today. Tomorrow again I'll give a small KT about whatever I said. I repeat it. Then we go with the next task item, writing scenarios for Orange HRM product. Once you write the scenarios, we'll have a review. Once the scenarios are finalized, we'll discuss about the topic, how to create the test cases for the finalized scenarios. Understand the point?